Hi. If you're thinking about selling your home, you're probably looking at getting market analysis reports. Many of these reports are computer generated, but some of them are also put together by a real estate professional. The basic idea of this report is that you look at comparable properties, what things have sold for, what things are pending for, what things are active in the market, to give you an idea of what to expect with your property if you were to put it on the market. These reports can be confusing and they can have lots of charts and numbers, so navigating them can take help from a real estate professional. I also feel that these reports should indicate what your future value of the property will be if you were to hold on to it given the market's trajectory, and also what you could expect to rent your property if you chose to do that as an option. If you'd like more information about these or you'd like to talk about market evaluation reports, give me a call. Thanks.